Welcome, beautiful souls, to the online cat training that is starting January 27th and 28th. And then we meet right away that Thursday, February 1st, and meeting every other week to strengthen your cat channels. If you are here on this page, is because there is this beautiful, strong calling. What you see in me is what already exists in you. So I'm here to hold this space for you, to empower you, so you too can step into divinity, to be that beautiful channel of Shakti energy, of life force energy, and to be able to hold space for others to also heal and liberate themselves, to be able to really be attuned with their truth, authentic self. This training involves much self-healing first, because as you let go of whatever density is in you, first off, then you can be a greater channel, a greater portal of the highest source. And also what's very important, some people have their channels very open, that top pyramid, but what they lack is the grounding and the rooting. Especially when you start feeling this high frequency energies coming through, you'll see yourself also be lifting up. And the grounding and being here present is the most important thing. So I'm bringing in a lot of my tools from my Pleiadian light work, from my energy healing sessions as well, the other certification, the intuitive, to make sure that you also have this base, which are keys. By the end of the training, we start with the weekend, which is the intensive. By then, you're going to be able to start practicing on your loved ones, on your family members, on community. And then we continue. You're going to be practicing with one another too. So it's only going to give you more strength. There's so many bonuses that I'm going to be throwing in as well. But we will be meeting, because the most important thing is to continuously work and see each other. Questions are going to be coming up so I can answer them for you. You can hear what other people are asking, because there are questions they're asking. They're probably going to come up for you as well. You're thinking about it. Take a look at the web portal. Don't forget that we have an amazing bonus that's coming up. I do new moon and full moon ceremonies. They're not just called transmission. I'm going in there and I'm teaching all the ancient wisdom that I also carry from other past lives, which is why I'm here doing this work. And I'm bringing in a lot of knowledge of different gods and goddesses, ancient wisdom around the world, sharing that with you, different types of therapies, a lot of family constellation, lineage constellation, multidimensional constellation, Merkaba activations, and so forth. So you get a free registration if you book by November 20th, which is coming up. But if you book by December 25th, you have $222 off, which is amazing. Take advantage of that. And if you pay in full completely, then you qualify to have $333 off on the next upcoming retreat, or any retreat that I host. Bali's coming up, Peru's coming up. I'm announcing Stonehenge and Glastonbury. We're going to be there for solstice at the heart chakra of the world. Then we have also the 8-8 portal with Lionsgate and Mount Shasta, which is the root chakra of the world. And next year is an 8-year as well. So what's more powerful than being in Mount Shasta for abundance and manifestation? And then that last retreat is going to be in Egypt. For a lot of you that we are being called to this, we have done this work before. For me, I was a priestess in Dendera, in the temple of Hathor, the temple of love, where they used to practice tantric, sacred sexual union. I was a priestess. I was a priestess of Hathor. So we're going to be doing a lot of work there as well. So we have been called to Egypt and doing an initiation there. People always ask me, what's one of the ways I continue opening up and strengthening, awakening more of my Kundalini? For me, a lot of it's going to these key portals and doing retreats like the ones that I'm offering. I love you all. Let me know what questions you may have. And I'm looking forward to seeing you very, very soon at the end of January I love you. Have a beautiful day.